Hello and welcome to Regulatory Wrap. This week's news has us asking, what's happening next? As we've seen signs that point to potential movements from the FCA on off-channel communications. It's been reported that the FCA has sent out a survey requesting that banks provide details of staff breaching their encrypted messaging policies with an eye to understanding how apps like WhatsApp, Signal and Telegram are being used in financial services. The survey asks for a list of confirmed breaches of unmonitored and encrypted application policies recorded in the last 12 months. It also asks how senior the individual concerned was and how the breach was identified. The FCA also wants to know the disciplinary outcome or impact on compensation and promotions. This may have started alarm bells ringing for firms that have been keeping an eye on the US over the last few years. The war on WhatsApp, waged by regulators including the CFTC and SEC, has seen over $3 billion in fines issued to multiple firms for failing to control off-channel communications and ensure they're keeping complete records of business comms data. In September alone, we've seen the SEC and CFTC issue 6 separate rounds of fines for firms having failed to supervise employees' use of off-channel platforms, including WhatsApp, and to retain records of business communications data. Many of these instances saw senior staff participating in the off-channel comms, making the wording of the FCA's data request very interesting indeed. Could this request be a signal that the FCA might be catching up with US regulators? And could what feels like an overdue UK-compliant comms crackdown now be imminent? We'll be waiting to see if the regulator itself speaks out, but the survey undoubtedly sends a message. Firms shouldn't wait to get their communications compliance and surveillance solutions in order, because by then, it might be too late. Join us next time for another Regulatory Wrap.